6266 forward-facing turbo, you guys. We're just gonna crack the window just a little bit. Cold start. Oh my goodness, that is so loud even out here. Please. There is no rest for the Mustang. We're gonna get cold starts all day, every day in this thing. Oh, just listen to that. It means the Mustang is warm and ready to rock and roll, you guys. Woo. Just listen. So let's get in the video, guys. We got the Mustang versus another blue Evo. This one's on a 6266, or was it 6262? He said 6266. I keep correcting myself saying it's a 6262, but nonetheless, 38 pounds of boost, you guys, in the Evo versus the Mustang. We've seen this Evo get down many, many times before, and we finally get to run it in the Mustang. So let's get into it, you guys. All right, boys, check out this Evo, fully built, 6266?
Yeah, 6266
forward-facing turbo, you guys. Not that stock location life. Super solid build. Check out this Evo, you guys. What do you guys think? It's a 6266 Evo versus the Mustang. It should be a pretty good run. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
What's the second one?
What do you guys think? 38 pounds. Not too shabby. Solid run with this Evo, you guys. Whoever got the hit basically took it. I may have used nitrous on the second run, or I don't know, guys. You guys be the judge. We still can't find the nitrous bow in the Mustang, but pretty solid run nonetheless. It's what I expected out of an Evo with the forward facing. You know, not too bad. Well, you guys, not too bad for the Mustang. I will say, like, the first run, or was it the second run? I forget. Whichever one I beat him, it was a fair race, in my opinion. Very good race, clean start. The one where I lost, I felt like, I don't know, maybe I had some belt slip or he jumped. I'm going to make some excuses, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Those two runs were very, very different. Nothing changed within the builds, or I mean tune, I should say. Maybe he uploaded kill map, maybe. I'm going to say, because I was still trapping the same speed down at the very end. I don't know, maybe it's a little bit of belt slip. I have no idea. But nonetheless, very good, solid run. Anyways, for the Mustang, I don't really know what to say. We only ran it twice. So there wasn't really a clear winner. I beat him pretty bad on one, and he beat me pretty bad on another. So, is what it is. Solid run. Stay tuned for the next one, you guys. Peace.